G'day guys. G'day guys, hope you're all doing well and welcome back to another adventure. In today's video, we're gonna find a spot to camp tonight. I'm currently on Harry's Hut Road, heading out towards Harry's Hut up here in Queensland, near the Sunshine Coast, near Noosa area. And in today's video in particular, we're gonna find a spot to camp, set up camp, and I'm gonna cook a vegan gourmet dinner out the back of the car. So that should be fun. So if you guys are looking forward to that, stay tuned. The road conditions aren't even really that hectic. I've just let out like 10 PSI on each tire because I was running about 40 PSI, just for that extra comfort on the 35s, because it is a bit rough in some spots. Anyway, let's get back on the road.
So hard to see from the moment we arrive. You're one who will survive. When time's been bad, you put smiles on everyone. Of you and of all I should have done. It don't mean a thing what shape or form that you're in. What place you're from, the wealth of the color of your skin, and all you have burns to the sky. It's all too late. You wonder why we really are. Your everyday chameleon. You'll be all
Sun's out. Love it. Let's get cooking. Alright guys, so we're doing something a little special. We're creating a dish that technically shouldn't be vegan. It's bacon wrapped scallops, and then I'm going to serve it with like a pea puree. So, it's everything that's not vegan, vegan. So how are we going to do it? Well, let me explain. Okay, so for the scallops, we're using what I believe is called king oyster mushrooms. So I've got 2 containers here of mushrooms. They're like stir fry mushrooms, and each one of them had one of these juicy buggers in there. And we're going to use the stem off this mushroom. For example, that's going to be our scallop. And what we're going to do is we're going to soak these in water for about 20 minutes to soften them up. And then for the bacon, we're using this product here made with plants bacon. I've tried this before and it is a dead ringer to actual real bacon. You get that crispy texture and that meaty flavor and taste as well. And what we're going to do is we're going to wrap these mushroom scallops in this bacon. So yeah, let's get into it, hey? So yeah, let's first off prepare these mushrooms. We need to let these soak while we start on the sauce. So it looks like we're going to get 4 scallops out of this one. Nice for a little entree. Probably going to have to cook something else after this. Okay, so to start off with, we're going to start with the sauce. So we're going to get a bit of vegan butter. I've got the old Nutlex here. Just going to whack in some butter. So for the pea puree, we're just going to get a garlic clove and a small onion. We're going to dice these up, cook these down with some butter, and then also add a bit more of the coconut cream. And then once the peas are cooked, we will add the peas, drain the peas and add them, and we'll mash it up into a nice puree. After a bit of elbow grease, it should look something like this. Come up and look. Check that out, how good. I've taken the water out of the peas. Also, our mushrooms have been soaking for about 20 minutes. You can either take them out of the water or leave them in there. I'm just going to leave them in there for now. Add a bit of butter. Chuck in our onion and garlic puree. We've still got a bit of coconut cream left, so I'm just going to... Alrighty, now that our pea puree is pretty much done, we're going to whack that pan back on again, and we're going to add some butter, and we're going to start cooking the scallops and bacon. All those flavours are still there. We're going to cook these for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side. I don't have a lid, so I'm just going to use this little pan and we'll cover those up there for a few minutes. Oh yeah! Gonna add our bacon. So we've got the bacon cooking, it's almost done. So I'm going to take a piece. Now these are really wide pieces compared to the size of our scallop, so we're going to just trim them a bit. Alrighty, time to dish up, guys. We've got bacon wrapped scallops. Vegan. All vegan. Alright, can't wait to get into this. Alrighty, taste test time. Oh my goodness! Mmm! Mmm! That's amazing! Those mushrooms, from what I remember, have pretty much the exact same texture as a scallop. Damn! That's amazing if I don't say so myself. Kinda went crazy on the pea puree, but you know, you gotta have your greens. Mmm! Damn! That is amazing! Thanks for watching the video today, guys. If you enjoyed it, give us a thumbs up, make sure you subscribed, and leave us a comment down below if maybe you have other recipe ideas you want me to cook or something. I'm just amazed that I was able to make this out the back of my car. This is like amazingly tasty food. I wish I made more of it, to be honest. Mmm. Even the mosquitoes love it. See you in the next one.